Alam mo bang the starting point of everything is optimism? Ibig sabihin, positive thinking. Mahirap talagang umasenso at gumanda ang buhay kung masyado kang negative, kung meron kang problema sa lahat ng solusyon, at para bang you're spending more time thinking about your problems, how a victim you are, how you can blame anything and everything outside yourself. Alam mo, tip ko sa'yo, tigilan mo na yan. Suggestion ko, magkaroon ka ng tinatawag na optimism or yung positive mindset na parang you're spending more time moving forward. Ibig sabihin, thinking of solutions and thinking of means and ways para ma-solve yung problems mo and making sure na yung problems mo hindi na babalik muli. Kapag ganyan ang mindset mo araw-araw, sabi ko sa'yo, gaganda ang buhay mo. And this is a friendly reminder from me, Migs Flores. I've been an intern, now a CEO. Wherever you are at in your professional life, you can be a business partner.